Hi, I'm RB from IITCA Technology and Beyond. In this video would we be coming up solution to the problem which many people ask, how to insert blank rows between already existing rows quickly. Here on the screen data seems to be very small, but in your case thousands of lakhs of rows would be there. Then how to insert blank rows after any filled row? Well, if the database is small, you can insert 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 rows manually, it's okay. But what to do if the database is too large? Well, this cannot be inserted manually, these rows rather. So either you'll give up or look for some other solution. To ease out and give you foolproof solution, please watch this video till the end. As discussed earlier, to achieve the solution, we'll take a sample database. As you can see on your screen, the database is there, which is very small. In your case, it may be large. You can see that there is no blank row available between the filled rows. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll select a column in the beginning of the database. In your case, if you want, you can take the last column also. It's all up to you. And we'll stick to this and we'll give it a name SNO and fill all the below cells with series 1, 2, 3, 4. If the database is large, you can take a help of fill series. If you're not aware of the fill series, then you can follow our one of a video which is already on the fill series. Now in the next step, we'll select all the serial number we have entered 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and we'll go to the last row after the database and we'll paste all the series. Now you can say that we are about to give a blank row and we are filling up the series. So now here is a trick. Select all the database including the new series and till the end. I repeat again, please select all the series till the end. That's it. Now just give a sort command and take column a serial number SNO and just sort. That's it. This is the magic. Now you can see that there is a blank row between all the filled rows available. Now just delete the first column in order to see the proper blank rows. That's it. That's all in this video. In the next coming video, we'll discuss about some other trick of Excel, PowerPoint or Word. Meanwhile, please share your comments and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel. Thank you very much.